To create your own notebook in Noteshelf, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the category you want the new notebook to be in my case videos, and tap the plus button. Tap new notebook, and in here you can choose the cover and the inside template. Let's choose the cover from a selection available on the left side. These are the categories. But let's go back to leather, and I'm going to choose green. And then you can choose the inside page, and you have the basics here, and of course a few other options. There is also the dark version, just in case you use your iPad in dark mode. And I'm going to choose dots, and then title your notebook and create notebook. And your notebook is going to open automatically. At this point, you have only one page inside your notebook. To have more pages, just tap your finger on the right side of the screen and hold and drag, okay, to the center of the screen, and then release. Tap, drag, release. And then you will have many other pages available to write inside your new notebook. There is also one other way to create a notebook from an external source. So all you have to do is upload a PDF with or without hyperlinks and create a notebook. Let's tap the plus again, import document this time, and then you'll have to find the location of your PDF file. In my case, it's in Dropbox, but if you have it on your iPad, you'll have to click Dropbox locations. And then here you have on my iPad. Mine is on Dropbox, so I'm going back to videos, and I'm going to open both notebooks. This is a simple notebook without hyperlinks, and let me show you. You have the cover, and then you have some inside pages. You can also use a PDF with hyperlinks. Go to import documents and find a PDF with hyperlinks to use, and this is how it works. Inside the document there will be some hyperlinks set up so that you can reach from one page to another. In my case here, these tabs on the right side are the categories of the notebook, 6 categories available, and inside each category there is a note page.